Alright, so I'm kind of wondering if I should just make this a series of cheap shit I bought on Amazon or eBay. And again, Harley 2020 Road Glide Special. And today, so I can actually ride it when it's a little bit colder outside. So the lower fairings we put on a couple videos ago definitely help. But your hands still get cold. And yeah, I wear gloves, but they only do so much. You still, let me see if it's kind of hard to tell, but definitely the wind comes off here and just hits your hands. And especially if I go and get a little bit taller bars, it's not going to help some. So I ordered some of the hand guards that you can get on Amazon. There you go. And like everything else you get on Amazon, they had no instructions. So really all you got to do with these things is you kind of just put them on here. You take your mirror, put them on there, and put the mirror back through the holes, and that's all you got to do. So all you need to install these things is either a wrench or a ratchet in a 1/2 inch. And see if we can do this one-handed without hurting anything. Try not to scratch the bike. Alright, so we got that loose. Stick that in the old trusty back pocket there. I'll take the nut off the bottom. Just like that. That's a long thread. Alright, so there we go. And this will come right out. So then, all we're going to do is take this guy, stick him back on here. Let's see if I can do this just this one hand. Hey, look at that, you get a bolt eye view, a mirror stud eye view. And all the way through. There we go. We'll take, stick that back on the back. There it goes. So we're just going to hand snug it for just a minute here. I'm going to push that down. We're just going to snug it up just a little bit, because now what you'll have to do is you'll have to see where everything needs to kind of sit. So that was about where my mirror was. And obviously I can move this in or out, but you want to make sure that you're going to have enough room. So once you get that adjusted, just snug that back up. Put my hands on the camera. Just snug this the rest of the way up. Make sure everything's adjusted where you want it. That's all you got to do. Very, very simple. That was what, about 3 minutes to put that on there. So I'm going to go ahead and get that adjusted, snug it up, put the other side up, and I'll show you the finished product here in just a second. All right, there we go. That's them on there. Get some more light on the subject here. So, you know, the finish on them's not too bad. Doesn't match perfectly, but it's not bad. You clean the bug guts off the mirror there, but you know, plenty of clearance between the handlebars, or the brake and clutch on the other side. Mirrors are back where they're supposed to be. Literally took, I don't know, about 10 minutes. It probably took me longer to edit this video than it took to put those on. So now my hands stay a little warmer, keep a little bit of the wind, a little bit of the rain. That's another good one, is when you get stuck in the rain, keeping some of that rain from hitting your hands, because it feels like bee stings. But yeah, so don't have too much fun, try to stay warm, and I'm going to keep working on this thing, get it ready for bike week.